nVidia brings cybersecurity to every AI factory. Have you noticed how important it is to secure AI factories as enterprises adopt AI more rapidly?
Absolutely. I heard that nVidia has introduced a new software framework called DOCA for this purpose.
That's right. DOCA Argus provides runtime cybersecurity by using advanced memory forensics to monitor threats in real time.
Wow, and it can detect threats up to 1,000 times faster than traditional solutions, right?
Exactly. Plus, it operates independently of the host, which means no agents or reliance on host-based resources.
That's impressive. So, it enhances system efficiency while maintaining security in AI compute environments?
Yes, and because it runs outside the host, it remains invisible to attackers, even if a system is compromised.
I see. And it can seamlessly integrate with existing security platforms like SIEM and SOAR for continuous monitoring.
Exactly. This integration allows for automated threat mitigation, extending cybersecurity capabilities for AI infrastructure.
And with nVidia Bluefield, enterprises get built-in, data center protection for AI workloads at scale, right?
Correct. By combining Bluefield's acceleration with DOCA Argus, enterprises can secure their AI factories without compromising performance.
It's fascinating how collaboration with Cisco is simplifying the deployment and protection of AI infrastructure.
Indeed. They ensure security is embedded in every layer of the AI factory from the start.
It sounds like now is the perfect time for enterprises to embrace AI, especially with safety and security in mind.
Exactly. With the right infrastructure, they can scale AI confidently while safeguarding their data. Optimized AI workload threat detection. Have you heard about how enterprises are dealing with massive data volumes to detect real threats?
Not really, but I know it's a big challenge with all the data out there.
Exactly. That's where optimized AI workload threat detection comes into play. It helps identify genuine threats amidst all that noise.
That sounds interesting. How does it work?
Well, DOCA Argus is specifically optimized using insights from nVidia's security team, which means it focuses on real, validated threats.
So it eliminates false positives? That's impressive.
Yes. By concentrating on well-known threat actors, it reduces alert fatigue and streamlines security operations.
That must be crucial for cybersecurity teams. What else does it do?
Argus is purpose-built to protect containerized workloads, like nVidia NAM microservices, securing every layer of the AI application stack.
Wow, so it really covers a lot of ground. What did David Reber say about it?
He mentioned that cyber defenders need robust tools for AI factories, and DOCA Argus delivers real-time security insights for autonomous detection and response.
That sounds like a game changer for security teams.
Definitely. It equips defenders with a data advantage through actionable intelligence.